Okay, tonight, cooking with Goldilocks. We got lots of this. Tonight's dinner. Alright, tonight I'm cooking with Goldilocks. Well, keep the dinner simple. Alright, we're gonna do it again. So I found myself with an abundance of flathead catfish meat as of recent, and there are lots of ways to prepare it. Here's one way. Heat a high smoke point oil in a pan. Season the catfish with salt, pepper, and blackening seasoning and add it to the pan. Once there's a sear on the bottom, flip the fish over and season the other side. After you get a decent crust, place in a shallow pan with a little oil and put the fish in a 375-degree oven. Do not wash the pan. Place some pico de gallo in the pan and heat. You don't want the onions to sweat, you just want a quick heat and set aside. Let's make a great sauce. In the same pan, add some white wine. Let the wine simmer until it reduces by half, about 5 minutes. Add an equal part heavy cream and some salt, pepper, blackening seasoning, and the juice of half a lemon. Whisk until well blended and let the sauce reduce by half again. You know when it's ready if you can put the back of a spoon in and wipe a line through it. Turn off the heat and add some quality salted butter. Whisk continuously until the butter is melted and everything is well infused. Taste and adjust your seasonings as needed. Remove the fish from the oven and add some more blackened seasoning and plate. Put the pico de gallo directly on the fish and cover it with sauce. There you have it. You just made blackened catfish with a Cajun lemon cream sauce. Enjoy!